To start a limited liability company, LLC, in California, there are several steps that must be taken. The first step is to choose a name for the company. The name must be unique and distinguishable from other business entity names already registered in the state. It must also end with Limited Liability Company or one of its abbreviations. The availability of the name can be checked by searching for it on the California Secretary of State website. If the preferred name is already taken, it is possible to file for a DBA, doing business as registration, which allows the company to do business under a different name. The next step is to appoint a registered agent, who is a person or entity that will handle government, tax, and legal correspondence on behalf of the LLC, while it is possible to serve as the company's own registered agent. This is not recommended due to the complexity of the legal documents and requirements involved. Most companies use a registered agent service to handle these tasks. After appointing a registered agent, the next step is to file the Articles of Organization, which includes basic information about the LLC, such as its name, address, and purpose. There is a state filing fee of $70 in California. Following this, an operating agreement should be created, which is a contract that outlines how the business will be run, including the distribution of profits and the authority of members to bind the LLC to legal contracts. The company must also obtain any necessary permits and licenses, which will depend on the industry and specific activities of the LLC. This can be done by searching for the relevant information online or seeking the help of a professional service. Once the necessary permits and licenses have been obtained, the company must comply with tax requirements, including filing annual reports, keeping accurate records, and conducting all business transactions through a business bank account. To open a business bank account, especially if the LLC has multiple members, or to hire employees, an employer identification number, EIN, is required. This can be applied for through the IRS website. To simplify the process of starting an LLC, it is possible to use a legal service, which can handle all the necessary steps and provide additional support, such as an initial phone consultation with a specialist about business insurance and taxes. Using a formation service can be beneficial, as they have expertise in setting up LLCs and can ensure that everything is filed correctly. They can also provide additional services, such as bookkeeping software, and offer support and guidance throughout the process. Overall, starting an LLC in California requires careful attention to detail and compliance with all the necessary steps and regulations.